Good morning, students. Today we will read lesson number 19, directions of our EVS book. So here is a small activity. Look at the picture. If Raju is standing in the middle, then dash and dash are standing to his right. Two children are standing to his right and two children are standing to his left. So we have to see if Raju is standing in the middle, then dash and dash are standing to his right. So with our right side is this one and left side is this one, but which is Raju's right side? Raju's right side is this one. So here it will come Ria and Ali are standing to his right, and Raju's left side is this side. So to his left are Simi and Tina. So in this chapter we are going to understand about directions, why we need to know directions and how we come to know about directions, in which direction we need to go, and how many types of direction, how many directions are there basically. So there are main 4 directions. So let's read. We follow directions which we want to travel from one place to another. We also use directions when we want to know which route, way or path is to be followed to reach a place. When we go in car and we doesn't know where is that place, so we use Google Maps. So Google Maps tell us directions how we can reach that place. So there are many ways to reach to that place. The directions may be given on a map, written or told to us by someone. Like in Google Maps also, we come to know directions, and sometimes we ask other people also that we have to reach that place. Can you please tell us the way to that particular place? So this way we come to know about the directions. It may be given on a map, written or told to us by someone. Okay, the words used for simple directions are left, right, straight, up or down. These are the simple directions. There are particular names for these directions. We will discuss directions. The 4 main directions are south, north, east and west. These are the 4 main directions. The sun helps us to know the directions, as the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Similarly, the north and south directions can also be known. Try this. At sunset, face the setting sun. Stretch your arms out sideways. Your right arm will point towards the north and your left arm will point towards the south. The west will be in front and the east behind you. So this you can just try. Sometimes people travel across the sea or they go to places like deserts or forests. There are no roads in deserts, okay, or in sea. So how they come to know about the directions? So there they use compass. Here they may use a compass to find the route. A compass is an instrument that tells us the directions. The needle of the compass always points towards the north. Okay, so there are different ways to know directions. So you have to read this chapter.